Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a WhatsApp group, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a WhatsApp group, first open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are an admin of the group which you want to delete. And at the top of the screen you can see your my group over here which I want to delete. In order to delete it, guys, tap to open it. First you will be required to kick out all of the members from the group. So to do that, after opening the chat box of the group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen, and over here, guys, all of the members will be available over here. Now after landing over here, kick out the members by tapping on their name, and this kind of interface will appear. Tap on remove and tap on OK. Do the same for every contact in every member in the group, and remove and OK. And after that, let's go back, and after that you will be also required to exit that group. So let's go back and tap on hold that group, and again there will be the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, or you can do it from over here. Again at the top, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here tap on more and tap on exit group and tap on exit again. And now after exiting from that group, guys, WhatsApp will show you the option to delete it. If you tap and hold on it, let's go back, tap and hold on it, you can see there is the dumpster icon at the top of the screen. Tap on the dumpster icon and you will see there it says the delete this group and also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. Tap on that if you want to, and after that tap on delete group, and then your group on WhatsApp will be deleted. And then guys, this is how to delete a WhatsApp group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.